What if biopharmaceutical companies could move from reactive manufacturing to intelligent data-driven production? That's the transformation fueling the digital biomanufacturing market. The space remains highly fragmented, signaling that innovation opportunities are still wide open and market leadership is far from settled. Currently, Danaher leads with 9% market share, followed by Thermo Fisher Scientific at 8%, Sartorius at 7%, Merck at 6%, and Samsung Biologics at 5%. Collectively, these leading players account only a modest portion of the overall market, keeping significant room for new entrants. The next phase of growth will not be determined by manufacturing capacity alone, but by who can best integrate AI, advanced analytics, and digital process control to deliver faster, smarter, and more efficient biomanufacturing operations. Markets move fast, your decisions need to move faster. The 360i Research platform brings analyst-authored research and AI-powered discovery together in one place. Ask targeted market questions, track competitors, explore industry shifts, and uncover timely insights that help your teams move from data to confident action. Connect with 360i Research and turn inspiring insights into dependable actions.